One of the many benefits of selecting eFax Corporate as your organization's hosted fax provider is that your employees can use eFax to send documents directly from your office's multifunction devices, or MFDs. With the eFax Corporate's MFD connector, your team has one more way to conveniently and cost-effectively send and receive important faxes. With one solution, you can send and receive faxes electronically via computer or any internet-connected device, or from using MFDs. eFax Corporate lets you receive, annotate, send, and even add signatures to faxes entirely online or by email, without paper, fax machines, fax servers, or analog fax phone lines. But what happens when your employees need to fax paper documents? Many organizations maintain in-house fax machines for such occasions, which means additional costs for fax machine maintenance and repair, toner and ink, paper, and costly dedicated fax telephone lines. You might be wondering, can't we just scan the document and email it? Sure, for certain faxes that solution might be sufficient. But what if the delivery requires a confirmation receipt? You need an audit trail. Regulations demand a fax transmission, or your customer or partner requests a fax. For any number of business or regulatory reasons, you might need to send documents as faxes. By integrating your multifunction devices with eFax Corporate services, you can leverage your existing MFDs as fax machines when you need them, which means you can eliminate fax machines and fax servers. Reducing your in-house hardware is one of the key reasons you invested in multifunction devices in the first place. Using eFax Corporate's MFD connector is simple and takes just seconds for your employees to learn. Using the MFD Scan to Email function, you will create a new email with the scanned documents attached, just like any eFax Corporate message. Another benefit of the eFax MFD connector is that the body of the email message can serve as a custom fax cover page. Finally, using a special recipient email address, you or your employees will send the email and receive delivery confirmation right in their email inbox. eFax Corporate's MFD solution transmits your documents using the highest levels of security. You can also create fax distribution lists, so faxing to multiple recipients from your MFDs is even easier. Reduce costs, boost productivity, enhance security. Our MFD connector is one more reason eFax Corporate is the #1 online hosted fax choice for businesses large and small. Visit enterprise.efax.com today to learn more about the power and productivity available with eFax Corporate.